Hi friends, let us discuss the portfolio for Module 9. Let's read now. Plan an activity for introducing any one of the following concepts and prepare a rubrics for self-assessment for children. Multiplication of integers, division of fractions, and area of rectangle. Three topics were given here and we have to choose one of them. And in addition to that activity, we have to write three recommendations of NCF 2005 related with mathematics. And the last one, we have to write three vision statements also for school mathematics as per NCF 2005. Friends, this is my portfolio for Module 9 and I have taken the topic area of rectangle. For this topic I have prepared only three activities, and in first activity I am going to introduce the area of rectangle through a game type activity. For this activity we should divide the children into some groups and give them different sizes of rectangles drawn on the floor which contains squares inside. Children participate and count the length, width of the rectangle, and next they will count the squares inside the rectangle. By counting like this, they will come to a conclusion that product of length and width is area. And in activity 2, I am going to give them some sizes of rectangular papers or A4 size sheets, and they have to draw the lines by dividing that paper in equal squares. Here also they will count the length, width of the different sizes of papers and find the area by counting the squares, square grids drawn inside. The last activity. Here I am going to give them some square shaped plastic or wooden squares and they have to arrange them into rectangular shapes, and they have to show two dice here, length number on one dice and width number on another dice. Here after arranging like this, they will count the squares inside the rectangular shape and they will come to a conclusion that product of length and width is area of the rectangle. And rubrics. Here in all these activities children participated and they have to assess themselves. For this I have prepared a rubrics. Here I have taken three aspects: participation, understanding concept and presentation, and they have to be in any of the levels. If the participation is not good, they belong to level 1, and if the participation is good but with the help of others, then they belong to level 2. I have prepared the levels of understanding concept as well. Next, recommendations of NCF 2005 for mathematics. Here we can collect these recommendations from our maths methodology textbook of DED or BED, whatever it is. I have written three recommendations here, and vision statements also are in NCF 2005 PDF which we can download from internet. I have written 4 vision statements of NCF 2005. So this is my portfolio and there is no need to add images. You can explain these activities. That is enough. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please do subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.